Sierra on YouTube. This one came in my bed and won't leave me alone when she has her own bed.
Not true. I started watching over there, Sierra, and she's, I wanted to watch. Come over here. Nice try.
Me, baby, and jclay are watching Sierra.
For Sierra,
I didn't even think to go to At Home. That's a good idea.
Mom, look at me. That is awesome.
Christmas day 3, baby. We're in the hotel right now getting ready. We have a prep day today for the baby shower, so we have lots of stuff to do. I'm gonna show you guys my quick OOTD. Cute little sweater from Beginning Boutique, and then I have these leggings on from, where are these from? Oh, these are my Shein leggings actually. They have like a little scrunch bun. And then I have boots from Shein and socks from my advent calendar. I think me and jclay are gonna go get some Starbies and we're gonna get our nails done. We gotta do the whole thing. So that's the plan for today. We're in our mini mobile. What kind of car do you guys see me in as my mom mobile? Because we're gonna be rocking the truck for a little bit. I have my Tesla in Arizona. Whenever I'm camped in Arizona, I can use my Tesla. But it's so hard bringing that all over the place. So we just use Sam's truck, which is like big and nice and safe for baby. But what do you guys see me whipping when I got like my 4 kids? I don't know.
Chrysler Pacifica.
Is that what we're in right now?
Yeah, it's a minivan.
I mean, if I have 4 or 5, we might have to minivan
I
it.
was just saying, if you're talking about all these kids.
If I want like 4 or 5, they're not gonna fit in a G-Wagon. Maybe like a big Escalade or something. We'll see. This is the view, guys. Good old BVA. Born and raised. And got out.
Did you get your nails done already?
No.
We're just now, well, we stopped at Starbucks, of course. Had to get that. And they forgot our breakfast sandwiches twice. I was all panicked about like, oh my gosh, I already have today to do everything. But it just, she's sitting here telling her YouTube that all I do is
the phone.
I was telling her.
You're gonna see her in person. Here's the before nails.
And it would actually be
So my nails are a little childish, if you ask me.
No, they're not.
They're too thick. But I'm not kidding. We were in and out in 35, 40 minutes.
Fastest.
They put a full set on these.
But my lady was mad at me for some reason.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Her lady was mean to her because she didn't want to get tips. She was like, no, you should get them. And my mom's like, I don't want them. She's like, no, you need them. And my mom was like, I don't want them. So then she said, okay, I'm not doing your nails.
Yeah, so she gave me another person, and then they must have talked, and that lady, she was just taking me from the beginning, just because I don't want freaking want tips. Get out of here.
Yeah, so my nails are, I'm gonna post the inspo pic that I showed him. They're just like a little thinner on that girl's hands. Like he just said them too
turn out like that. Same with my hair.
Ew, I actually do not like these at all. I'm getting these changed as soon as I get to Arizona.
Those are cute, honestly. I honestly don't know why you're having.
Mom, look at them up close.
Yeah, let me take a look.
You can't see.
Let me see. I honestly think they're cute.
Breaking news, live report. jclay and I just saved this old lady's life. Like I'm not even kidding.
I don't know if we saved her life.
If she would have fell and hit her head,
yeah,
she could have. She was a brittle old lady.
They were so old, and the husband just.
We had to start from the top. We're just in this store and we have to get a few more things for the baby shower. So we're like looking for gift bags, all this kind of stuff. There's this old couple and I would say what, 80s minimum.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe 90s. And
I'd say 85-ish.
The husband was very weak as well. Like he could not hold.
Just that age.
Yeah, he could not hold his wife up, but his wife was about to collapse. Like her legs were shaking. She was trembling, and she was so cute.
Too. She was like, oh.
No, I'm not kidding. That's exactly what she sounded like.
A turkey.
Like a little quail.
Oh.
No, I'll call her a quail. Don't call her a turkey.
No, see, that's what turkeys sound like.
No. No, that's what quails sound like.
It still was so sad.
She was a little quail. No, she was a little flamingo because she only had one leg. She was like, but anyways, she started to literally collapse in her husband's hands, like falling through his grip. So jclay ran over there and held her up, but
My knee.
you put her on or no, the husband put her on these other boxes, but it wasn't supported, and the boxes are like falling out, and she's like, they're gonna collapse under me. So jclay runs under it, is holding her on her knee, and she looks like a little old lady, but homegirl had some, she had some bones on her. Yeah, she was heavier than she looked. She looked like she weighed 80 pounds soaking
she didn't
wet.
look heavy, but she felt heavy. Well,
and you're tiny yourself,
but it's like dead weight whenever it's like whenever you just rest.
Right.
And I did tell her, I said, feel free to just rest on me. Like,
so jclay's holding her up.
She did too. I felt the difference. Like when she was like, she must have been trying to hold herself up some, because as soon as I said, just, you know, just rest on me, don't worry about, like, I said, put all your weight on me, and it was like that, I was like, ooh. Yeah.
And I could see jclay struggling. Jclay's like bent over holding her.
To lean on her.
She had, I saw your fists were like this, you're holding her just like in your forearm strength. I couldn't. Like, I'm pregnant, my belly's in the way. I grabbed this old lady by her boobs. I'm not kidding, I'm holding her up. I felt her heart beating. I was holding her like this, but I ran and got a box for her to sit on with something.
That was so nice. I'm like, Karissa, go find a chair. You come back with the box. Here, just put her on this box.
She sits down. She's like,
it was a more solid box.
Thank you guys. She's like, getting old is a bitch.
But even, I know. Even once she sat down, she just kept going, oh.
I know, she really was.
Like,
she just kept sitting there.
She was scared, like she was gonna pass out.
But her husband went and got the car, and me and jclay were there giving her some pep talks.
She had a thing of detergent in her buggy, and another.
And the guy got mad. He said, "The hell with this!
Yeah, we
don't need it." And she's like, "Oh." So this other nice lady,
that was nice.
went and bought her detergent for her. Yeah, so it was super sweet, and we just.
We did a good deed for the day. It does make you feel good. It makes me sad for her. Like, I just hope she's okay, because she didn't want no medical attention or anything. That's what
her heart was.
The only reason I let it go too was because she was going to
the nursing home.
A nursing home. Well, first she said she had to go to her hearing aid appointment. So I thought if they see that she needs, like, they'll continue the medical. And
she's going to the. Oh gosh. I'm sorry, we just keep seeing things and just anyway, so that was what happened so far. So our day's a little spunky up in the air, but we are now going to Walmart because Jennifer, you're not jclay, because jclay's a cool name. You're not that until you get it together. She's Jennifer.
Get it together. This is the most together I've been.
She's been so antsy about this baby shower, guys. I'm not kidding. Her head is just like, she's all over the place. I already am gonna be putting you in the retirement center soon.
Shoot. Go ahead, Papa. You can go.
All right, guys. We'll keep you updated. Why are you flexing? But seriously, why do you have a chunk of money? We're back in the Starbucks drive-thru, by the way, for the second time today. Does anyone else not drink the bottom of the drinks? Like, I don't drink that.
I don't waste the drink.
And then we got 20 ornaments for, what is this for?
For the stupid games. Because I made an order through Bath and Body Works. It was supposed to be delivered. They said anywhere between November 26th and December 2nd. I ordered 40 things from Bath and Body Works. 40 things that are going to be delivered to Belle Vernon, and I'm not even going to be there. But
and it's like
they're
soaps
not here.
And stuff. So what are you gonna do?
It was soaps and candles, and I was just gonna like let people pick whatever whenever they won a game. I was gonna let them pick whatever they wanted.
But my baby shower is Christmas themed, so we decided on Christmas ornaments. I'm just gonna show you guys a brief overview.
But it's okay. I mean, it's not what I wanted, but it's gonna do. This is just for the games. Plus, they're getting favors. Plus, I got everyone a gift. Yeah. So once you win the game, you get to come up and choose an ornament, which is cute. There's so many different ones in here. And then we got vegan cheese because we're gonna go to our favorite pizza place. It's called Jake's Pizza. Belle Vernon Pizza.
They have all brand new like ownership and management though, so hopefully it tastes the same because a lot of times they change recipes.
No, everyone is saying, because I've been reading, everyone's saying it's the same. They said if anything, it's like a smidge better.
Oh.
Yeah. So we'll see.
So we're gonna go, and we're bougie. We asked them, can you put vegan cheese on our pizza? But I just like a very light bit.
Just a little bit.
So we're gonna get some pizza for lunch, and then we're gonna go hang out with Grandma, and Pap, and my aunt, and then I think we're also gonna go into my Gigi's house, which is my grandma's.
That's what Ronnie Joe just said.
And can you put the money away? She's just sitting here rubbing her money. jclay is currently running the minivan off of the freeway. But before we get into that, I want to show you guys just the last little bit of baby room renovations. I'm not going to show you the full reveal yet because there's like little details and stuff, and I want to wait until I have stuff for my baby shower that I can add into the room and put it together and give you guys the full reveal with the full painted walls. And I want to show you everything yet. So you guys are getting literally just up until the last bit, and you're gonna have to wait for the full reveal for everything else. So let's roll the clips of the last little bit. Guys, look how this is all blending. This is my favorite part. And this is where her crib is gonna go. She's gonna have like a Montessori style bed. We're gonna build a gate right here that has a hinge that we can open it up, and then maybe do some braided bumpering around here. So we got the bottom layer painted purple, and then we have this tape here if you guys remember. So what we're gonna do is peel the paint off, and there's gonna be like a white layer that we're gonna have to go in with a small paintbrush and be very precise and actually draw like the peaks and stuff. The tea on why Starbucks has blue straws now. Yeah. Anyone want to fill me in?
Kwanzaa.
I thought it was Hanukkah. I think you're right. I think it is Kwanzaa.
Well, I think there was. I'm very, don't anyone come at me. I'm very uneducated when it comes to everything. Things. Like, I know Christmas and that's it.
Okay, anyway. What was I saying?
We were talking about me riding off the road. Like, big deal. Who cares? Holy fire up ahead. What the fridge? Oh, I like that.
Like, you act like you made that up.
But I like it better than what the frick.
We now have the money squeezed between the thighs. What is this money for?
Maybe I'm gifting to people.
Next thing that we're gonna know is that we're gonna have one of those money machines where you gotta stuff it in your pockets as fast as you can at the baby shower.
You gotta get it. You gotta.
We should get dollar bills and just throw them and see what these old ladies do. See what these ladies do. I'm trying to think. We already told you about saving a life, guys. I'm grasping for content until I have my baby shower. I am sorry, but my life. This is my life.
I was just saying, this is what your life is. Boring. I'm just kidding.
Until I have my baby shower, and I was telling my mom, guys, next Christmas, baby girl will be here.
She'd be popping.
I'm going to literally.
Is that like a nuclear plant fire?
No.
What is it?
Gosh.
It's massive.
It's not even a fire. It's like a power plant.
Hey, I gotta call her back. So I gotta hang up.
Is it a private call?
But that was it.
To end today's vlog, we're going to do the advent calendar. We got a Visa gift card! Whoop, whoop. Okay, I'll take it. It's not chocolate, but I could buy 25 chocolates with this. $25 Visa gift card. More Nerds candy canes.
Yeah, you might see those every day. Maybe not.
And there is chocolate! Oh my goodness! Look at me. I'm like chocolate.
You're all about them stupid chocolate.
Guys, I just needed this. I don't know why. It's like my daily fix. They're 60 calories. Okay.
What? 60? 60 for that? Well, you can have it. I can find 60 calories.
Guys, look at the little booties. They're so soft and pink.
I think that's the only baby thing I got too.
Really?
I think. Because it's hard to find.
I wish you guys could feel this.
You know what I mean? What else can fit in those boxes?
And they're like little bears. These are so cute.
I didn't know if you had pink ones or not.
No, I don't. I have white. So cute. that's definitely by far the best day so far.
Yeah. Dang.
Dang, I got chocolate.
I should have put that.
And a $25 gift card. Okay, so we just made it back to the hotel room. I've been editing the vlog, and jclay's finishing up prepping for the baby shower tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys just the quick overview of what we got going on. So she's doing gifts right now. This is for kids' gifts, right?
Gifts, yeah. And then these are adult gifts.
Yes. And then stack of money. There it is again. I swear this isn't normal. And then it's very dark. We cannot figure out the lighting in this hotel room. I'm sorry, that light still won't come on. But here is all of the door prize gifts. So it's gonna be so much fun. If you guys are coming to the shower tomorrow and you're somebody watching this, get excited because jclay has put so much freaking time and thought and energy, and just, she's an Enneagram too, and if you know, you know. So all these door prizes, we're so excited. And then all the decor and centerpieces and stuff like that is at my grandma's house. So I'll show you guys all that tomorrow.
He's in his chair.
She's in my bed again.
Get out!
But Pickle, Mama needs a question of the day for the vlog. What should it be?
Christmas question. All I want for Christmas is Pat.
Okay, yeah, fill in the blank. All I want for Christmas is blank.
Pat.
And you better not put FDD.
Oh my
You, I'm talking to you.
Oh.
You.
Oh.
You, that's my FDD. Back off.
And I think that's it. jclay's, are you ready to go? Like, you've got everything done?
Look, everything's over by the door. All we need is those cards again.
Oh, yeah. Done and ready to go.
Let's
We
go
are
get
ready.
trash.
All right. See you guys tomorrow. Love you times a million, Billy Trilly.